Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I am Dimension. Hope that everybody's having a pretty awesome day. Today we're going to teach you how to make a banner, a gamer banner, or you could add your own style to it. I am a graphic designer, well, studying to become a graphic designer, a little bit of streaming, gamer, and illustrator. Yeah, I'm barely starting to illustrate and all that stuff. Yeah, without further ado, let's go to the freaking banner. Let's go.
Okay, once you open Photoshop, you're going to press New File. Once you press New File, you're going to go to Customs, and if you don't have a custom already, you're going to put this in. Here we go. And make sure this is horizontal. Then once you're done putting all the settings, you're going to press Create. Okay, so with this banner, you're going to choose what solid colors you want. You could pick any kind, go wild on it. So for me, I'm just going to keep it simple and just have it all white. You're going to choose a name that you want for your header. For me, I'm just going to put Dimension. Okay, so you're going to grab it here. You're going to go to Edit, then Transform, Scale. Grab it here, go, move it to the center. Okay, so you're going to duplicate this, and this is how you're going to duplicate it. You're going to press Control-CV. We're doing this because we're going to use the other one as a shadow. With this, you can pick other colors, just black or white, depending your background. And so, yeah, you're going to press here. Let's see. Properties. Is it properties? Yeah. You're going to change it to black. Black. There we go. Okay. Oh. Okay, so let's just move this one down. There we go. So you're going to move this one. Here in the center, you want to make it look like it belongs there. You could have it like that. Looks pretty clean. Okay. You're going to turn off the top one so you can duplicate this one again, but what we're going to do with the other one, we're going to make it bigger and make it into a faded background. Press, then Control CV. Okay, we have it like that, and then this one, you're going to turn it off. Okay, and then we're going to go to Edit, Transform, Scale again. You want to make this into a pretty good size. Let's see. There we go. Okay, once you're in Eraser tool, make sure you make the brush bigger and the hardness not that big, go like 17% so you can do this. Look, like a faded type. That's a little too faded. So if you made a mistake, press Control Z. So there you go. There we go. That's fine. A little bit right there. Then let's go here. Then press this one and this one. You see how it looks? Whoa, this is not. There we go. Do you see how it looks? You want to make this a little bigger. I don't like how that looks, kind of. There we go. That looks cleaner. And then you can go over here on shapes and pick the shapes that you want and then fill them out with this. So it could have a different color, or I think you could make the opacity. You want to have like a background here, like this, and then here, press here, fill. And so I'm just going to speed run this so you could have an idea. So once you have your shapes or patterns down, duplicate it and make it seem like it has another shadow. So you're going to press here, let's see, Control V. Then turn this one into gray. There we go. Here and here. Once you have it like this, what you can do is move either the front or the back, one or two. Move it to the side, but let's turn this one and then move this one to the left and see how it is like a fragment, like something cool. Okay, so what we can do here is add like another shadow or like a little bit of fog or something like that. Let's see. Okay, something like this. This looks okay. You don't want to put too much, not too little. And then I kind of want to put a glow to this. Let's see. Ooh, this looks clean. Okay. I like the pillow. I like how this looks. Let's see if I can make it a little. This looks nice. Okay, so you're gonna keep it like that. Go to, I don't know how to pronounce this, bevel, and emboss, and you're gonna choose pillow, emboss, and then smooth. And there you go. There's your banner. Hope that you enjoy this little video that I created. If you have any other questions of how to create different style of banners, you could message me on my social media. I'll be using Krita for the other videos for banners if you don't have Photoshop, so we could be working together. And then later I might be using Procreate or PaintX, I believe. So hope that you have a wonderful day, and peace out.